In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a major shortcut for adjusting your fringe tension if you finished your fringe too tight with no cutting or redoing anything. Even experienced beaders can finish a piece that we've put 10 to 20 or more hours into and immediately or months later notice that the tension is too tight, especially if you overstretch your string beforehand. Everyone will tell you to stretch, but I'm telling you it's super unnecessary and will probably result in your fringe tension appearing tighter over time. So here's my trick. Take some pliers and intentionally and strategically break some beads. Of course, this is not an ideal situation and has mainly saved some older work of mine that I otherwise would have scrapped, but it can truly save so much time. Usually I only need to crush one or two. It just needs to stay symmetrical. On this pair where the fringe is clearly way too tight, I had to break quite a bit. I'll break some, adjust the tension, and check the flow. Break, adjust, and check until your fringe has the 0.5 millimeter gap all the way across and has reached fringe flow perfection. Here's the final result. Isn't it a good trick? Or would you still rather entirely redo the fringe? Let me know what you think in the comments.